Kenyatta. So today I am going to make homemade potato wedges. My baby girl asked for some potato wedges, so I am going to go ahead and make it for her. And these are the ingredients that I am going to use: olive oil, rosemary, onion powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, Himalaya pink salt, garlic salt, Lorry's, and some Parmesan cheese. So I have 2 potatoes here. I am going to go ahead and peel them and then put them in the oven for about 45 minutes. Already preheating the oven for 100 degrees, and I have the parchment paper in a pan. So stay tuned. So I have about half a cup of olive oil. I'll just go ahead and add the seasoning. Go ahead and pop them in the oven. Okay. Some of them are browner than the others, so I'm just going to take those that are a little bit darker than the other ones and leave the rest in there. So hold on just a second. Okay, so I am going to try it with honey mustard, and Kenya wants it with sweet and sour. This comes from McDonald's. But this is the honey mustard I am going to try it with. Here, baby, you go eat. Yeah, the blow it is hot.
Okay.
So let's see. Hot. Oh, that is good. Mm. When it's hot, you're like, mmm. Oh, that is so good. You like it, baby? Yeah, so crunchy. Mm-hmm.